Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect StarTrader with MT4 4. So right now what we're gonna do is we are here on our home screen and we click on accounts, and then from here we click on open account, click on demo account, and then right here select the MT4 4. So we click here on 4 again, then we do standard, then let's do USD 101 and let's do an amount of 25k, and then we do submit. Then right now he's creating our account, so we click now on I know, and here is our account standing. Then what we need to do now is we go to downloads, and from here we select here on the MT4 4 the Windows download. Then we click here on the setup, then we do yes, then we do next. Then right now we have this screen right here and we do next. Then we want to use an existing trade account, so we click on existing trade account, and then from here you need to log in with the details that you received in your email. So right now fill the login in correctly, the password, then we do finish, and right now we just connected our StarTrader with MT4 4. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.